Keep it 100, nigga, none less. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucker.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video or my channel again. If you haven't already, please give me a like, please give me a comment, as well as give me a subscribe, because you know you want to see me a little bit more, period. Okay, but anyway, enough of that. Today's video I'm going to be going over how to do a DIY on a scalp detox. It's very important, especially if you are a naturalist or if you have perms in your hair, or basically this is for any hair type. So if you know you put a lot of product in your hair or just simply do a lot with your hair, this is the video for you, so keep on watching. So to make the scalp detox, you will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and olive oil is filled with antioxidants, which is great for fighting dandruff and dry scalp. The oil can prevent hair loss by reducing chances of DHT production, which is a hormone that decreases the hair follicle shaft growth, which can cause hair loss. And as you guys can see, I am not correctly using the measuring tool that you're supposed to be using, so do not mind me. But actually, if this is your first time using a scalp detox, I mind you to really use the measuring tools. Next, you will need a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains organic compounds such as eugenol and cinnamaldehyde, all right, which are antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. This is to prevent fungal, viral, and bacterial infections of the scalp. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleansing ingredient that absorbs old grease and product residue from your hair. You will need 10 drops of peppermint or spearmint, and pretty much these essential oils helps to stimulate your scalp and provide a great sense of smell, so your scalp will feel so relieved and so refreshing, as well as you're going to be smelling like that Wrigley's gum, girl. Thank me later. And as you can see, I'm over here just mixing in all the products in together, and your mixture or your detox should come out into a dark brown color. If not, then I don't know what you did. So after all that extra information that I just gave you, you know, your girl's gonna be your future pharmacist, so I had to like give you extra information just for you to understand what are you exactly putting in your head. Because I know some of y'all be like, really cinnamon, really baking soda, like, you know what I'm saying? So I had to break it down to you, know what I'm saying? And I taught you a little thing. I taught you a hormone, didn't I? Let me know. I taught you something. Okay, so as you can see that my hair is tied up and it looks a hot mess.
Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO for sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy. Don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Get caught with your hoe when I'm popping the boat. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. She say I'm the GOAT. Act like I don't know. Fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank. And take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that let niggas think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. It take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Say you fucking with me, then he gotta grow up, cause this nigga gotta be killed. This shit can't fit in my pocket, I got it like I hit the lottery. I slap the shit out of nigga, no talking, I don't like to argue with nigga. I don't. Ain't gon' be no more laughing, you see me whip out, cause I'm gon' be the shot me a nigga. No cap. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches, they following nigga. And that little nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun, he just pull it out in his picture. Packing a meal, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. Go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO for sure. Yeah. Packing a meal, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. Go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO for sure. Yeah. Talking about shit, I'ma pop that. Got like 32,000 in one of my pockets.
Keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy. I cut them off as quick as they follow me. I'm in the loft, I needed some privacy. Private plane, I'm fly. Autopilot, I'm high up. Get the money, let it pile up. European, all the fashion. Foreign rides, do the dancing. With bitches bad like Kylie Jenner. I still treat them like they nothing, nigga. My game plan never cuff a nigga. I'm only scoring like Russell. Triple double, that's a cousin. Blue money, that's the company. Still getting in them blue faces. Face that, nigga still hate it. I don't understand why the hatred. Envious niggas can't come around me. I'm just trying to stay well rounded. I can't be fucking with fake niggas. That's the type of niggas bring it down. Yeah. Keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy. I cut them off as quick as they follow me.
My hair is completely washed. My hair is completely almost dry, still a little wet. But let me just show y'all a little brief of my scalp. My scalp is pretty much clean. As you can see, I just need to oil it down. Your scalp is gonna be like, thank you, sis, thank you. But you're gonna be looking like Rapunzel by the end of the summer. Watch what I tell you. But I just wanted to show you guys a simple scalp detox that really works and will have your hair feeling really refreshed and really good. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl.